Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on this channel. And today's video is a really interesting video because we will be talking about the pump.fun airdrop. Yes guys, just recently pump.fun have announced that they're going to be hosting a really huge airdrop campaign, and this could be your chance to potentially snag some free crypto for yourself, even if you're just starting out in the crypto space, or if you already have a quite of a built crypto portfolio. I've seen a lot of people on Twitter saying that they've been claiming two, five, $10,000, $15,000 from this airdrop. Honestly, guys, that is basically the main reason why I'm making this video in the first place. To spread awareness, let everybody know about this. It's an amazing opportunity. And the process of claiming this airdrop is literally so simple. Okay, the official website where the airdrop is happening, and don't worry guys, I will leave all the useful links in the description below, and the link to the website will be in the pinned comment also. And once you're on the website, of course, you will be welcomed with this nicely designed website. Pump coin is currently up 12.5%. The 24-hour volume is at 2.3 million. The market cap is at 15.6 million. Get your share of the 1 million pump. Join the exclusive airdrop and be part of the most exciting meme coin launch on Solana. Early participants get bonus rewards and whitelist access. And under that, we have the Get Pump Now button. Of course, you can click on the menu. You can learn more about this coin and see what it's really all about, the tokenomics, roadmap, etc, etc. But today we are mostly interested in claiming the airdrop. So once you click on this Get Pumped Now button, a small pop-up window will show up. Obviously prompting you to connect your wallet to check if you're eligible to claim this airdrop. There's 12 wallets compatible with this airdrop, so I'm sure your wallet will be here. All the popular wallets that people use for Solana, like Phantom, Sulfur Wallet, BitGet, OKX, Exodus, that's just like the main popular wallets that people use for Solana. So I'm sure your wallet will be here. And once you connect your wallet, the system will check your eligibility and see how much pump tokens you're eligible to claim. And if you're happy about that, just hit continue, and you're good to go. The pump tokens are on their way to your wallet, but do keep in mind, guys, that there's lots of traffic on the website at the moment, so the waiting time could be around 15 to 20 minutes max. But that is completely normal. The bot has to verify everyone one by one to see if they are eligible or not, and this is quite of a big event for the crypto community. It is quite popular at the moment. But yeah guys, that is basically it. There's no much you need to do after that. You've basically claimed the airdrop. There's nothing else you have to do after that. But yeah guys, that is basically all from me. Thanks very much for watching this video. Comment down below how much you were able to claim from this. I'm Johnny. I am out. Peace.